A Treatise of Human Nature is a philosophical work by David Hume, first published in 1739–40. The book is divided into 3 volumes, each of which explores different aspects of human nature and human understanding. Book 1, of the Understanding. In the first book, Hume explores the nature of human understanding, arguing that all of our ideas are ultimately derived from our impressions. He distinguishes between simple impressions, which are immediate and direct, and complex impressions, which are combinations of simple impressions. Hume also argues that all knowledge is based on experience and that there is no innate knowledge or ideas. Book 2, of the Passions. In the second book, Hume examines the role of emotions and passions in human behavior. He argues that all of our actions are ultimately motivated by some passion or desire and that reason plays only a secondary role in guiding our behavior. Hume also explores the nature of moral judgments, arguing that they are ultimately based on our emotional responses to certain actions. Book 3, of Morals. In the third book, Hume develops a moral theory based on his understanding of human nature and human behavior. He argues that moral judgments are ultimately based on the principle of utility, which holds that actions are morally right if they promote the greatest happiness for the greatest number of people. Hume also explores the role of sympathy and sentiment in moral judgments, arguing that they are ultimately based on our emotional responses to the suffering and happiness of others. Throughout the work, Hume employs a skeptical approach, challenging many traditional assumptions about human nature and human understanding. He argues that there is no necessary connection between cause and effect, that induction cannot provide certain knowledge, and that there is no evidence for the existence of God. Hume's emphasis on the role of experience in shaping our beliefs and his skeptical approach to traditional philosophical questions had a profound influence on subsequent philosophers, including Immanuel Kant. Overall, A Treatise of Human Nature is a groundbreaking work in the history of philosophy, challenging many traditional assumptions about human nature and human understanding. Hume's emphasis on the role of experience and his skeptical approach continue to influence philosophical debates to this day.